welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us, and I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. How is everybody doing today? I hope great. I'm trying to stay cool. It's kind of hot here where I live. The box that I have today is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I know my videos are kind of up late. I did get my boxes in time, but it's just been everything that's been going on with my 3-month-old that was in the hospital for a children's hospital for a week, and then now it's preparing for my 9-year-old to go back to school, and he has a 10th birthday on the 14th, so just lots going on. And then my daughter, she's a senior this year, so trying to get her ready for school as well. And let me show you what this, as you know, that's what you get the subscription, what it looks like. And they sure haven't been putting, I don't know when if they're going to go back to that or not about putting the items. I like that, where they put the items, the prices, and then tell about the products, how you can use the products. Okay, this bag, if you don't get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this is what it's a little bit different in different color. Has the same little metal airplane as the Glam Bag itself. But they have these same size, they're just in a different pattern. The other one had a zip from this way. This is Wanderlust, it says. And they're just like the, just that plastic. Makes me think of the stuff that inflatables are made out of, and the summer bags and material. Okay, the first item. This is by Purelease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. This is one of the products. There's another product that's really similar. It's another primer. I'm not understanding. I love primers, and I'm happy, definitely happy with my box. I just don't know why they put two of the same kind of products in it, my box. But let me show you, since this is really reflective. I don't have the prices, so I can't tell you what the retail price of this is. I'm not going to open it up just yet because I have some other primers open. But I love Purelease. I'm understanding they're in the, is it the American Beauty Awards. I forgot the name of that subscription that they're featured in that box. And this was my choice item. I love I have maybe 2 or 3 of these brushes. Complex Culture. This is the contour and blush brush, and I think these are pretty expensive brushes. Like I said, I don't have any of the retail stuff in front of me to tell you how much these cost, but I love that. It comes with the protective. I love how they have these protective. This is not even, it's that thick plastic, very sleek, very soft. I love these brushes, so I'm very happy with that. And then I got the Awake. This is the Glow Pill Super Serum, and I'm not going to open up the serum itself. I will show you the bottle. It looks like a capsule, so I guess that's where they get Glow Pill, the pill from. It's just a clear serum. It's pretty cool. I don't know anything about the Awake company, so I don't know if that's one of the newer companies. And then I have and this is another primer. I don't know. I love Ciate Linen too. This is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I have received a sample of this from Ipsy in my regular glam bag. But I'm not going to open up this yet because I have other primers open. And then I was happy to get the Tarte C. This is the Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara in black. I will show you what the tube looks like. And I have mascaras are the same way. I have something open, so I'm not going to open up this just yet. And then my 2 add-ons. Of course, I had to pick up a Miss Glam. If you are like me and love the sparkly and love brushes, I cannot have enough brushes, so I'm always trying to pick up a brush. Has the 2 little stones on it, and this comes in just a thin plastic, but I'm really happy with that. And then I was so happy to be able to get the Sunday Riley. This is that Sleeping Night Oil Luna. So I definitely am anxious to try that out. Overall, I'm very happy with my box. I just didn't understand why there were 2. This is like a moisturizing primer, and this is well, it's a hydrating primer. So, but I am happy. I love primers. I just thought it was kind of odd that there was 2 of the same. And like I said, that was my choice item. I love brushes, especially from that company. And then mascara I could always use, in a serum, and then my 2 add-ons I love. Now sometime I will tell you, I will have a giveaway coming up. I'm not sure, I have to get products to put in the giveaway, but I did go through my Ipsy bags. I've been a subscriber to Ipsy since I think 2015. So I went through the bags that I just didn't, I tried to find some that I could part with. And there's some other bags that are not Ipsy, but I'm going to try to put products and I'll probably just do when I do get products and for the giveaway, and have a bag, you know, like at least once, a giveaway once a month with one of these bags. But this is one from an Ipsy. I couldn't even tell you how long. I'd have to look up the years. But this was one of them that I'll have in a future giveaway. And then this is another one, if you haven't been subscribed to Ipsy for a long time, but this one, and then I have this one, little galaxy one, and this one with the little email letter, little heart, and it has the plastic. And then this one, and this one wasn't too long ago. We had that one, and this is a one that's been around. This one was a long time ago. This with a Art Deco theme, and then this is just a black and gold one. And then this one, you may remember, it came in different colors. There was a red, I think yellow, and then this one. And this is from Lip Monthly. And then I have a Red Book one. Red Book is pretty sturdy and has just the regular zipper on it. But those bags, like I said, they're for a future giveaway. And I'm going to try to do a bag, give away a bag, you know, 1 month at a time. So whenever I get the it's just getting the products together. And then I will have an upcoming giveaway for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that you have joined me today and seeing what products that I have, and I hope you're enjoying your day. Thanks.